What to do on a deep clean. Prepare your water and spray everything, so the product can start working before you scrub. Then dust from top to bottom, including the mirrors. Work your way down. Don't forget the top of the door and the doorknob. Time for scrubbing. Dry good to shine. Wash mirror with soap and water, then dry to shine. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Remove any paint. Try to make everything look new. Dry good to not leave any watermarks. Clean baseboards and remove any paint. Lastly, the toilet. Always use a disposable brush. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.